All right, guys, so here we got these TLR Lozy trucks. We got them off of Facebook Marketplace for $100 each. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and give it a race. So Hunter wins this one. This truck, I don't know, something's wrong with the programming and we don't have time right now. So here's some cool shots of Hunter's truck driving. Smoking. Oh no. I guess that's what happens when you buy an expensive RC car for a fraction of the price. Check that out, guys. Live action right here. The solder came off, started shorting up his motor. Damn, that is some carnage right there. I guess we won't be having a race now.
I mean, I could race your car.
Hunter, me, here are the three short course trucks. We're gonna go for it. All right.
Out, and I bet you Andy has something for putting a little hole right here and right here.
Oh shit.
Longer screw, set of nuts.
Oh, we should have brought the parts one.
We should have. Damn. Report. Oh, the Facebook Marketplace trucks.
I lost the screw.
Broke. Oh, you just lost a screw.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. This one.
It still kills it though.
Ouch.
I got plenty of screws.
So, my truck. Body, it wasn't all cracked like this, but, you know, it happens. I need to raise this body up, but not a big deal. It's just a body. So here is the truck. It's got the Castle Mama Max. It's got the Castle Creations 1415 2500 kV motor. I put a 3S LiPo. It's a little on the small side because I didn't have another 3S LiPo on me, so I just used this one. It's got the Futaba servo. Overall, it handled really good around the track. I was very happy with it. Initially, as you guys saw, I did have issues with the programming. The reverse didn't work, and going forward, it was just really slow. It was weird. So I went through, recalibrated it, went through all the settings. I had to look up what each beep means. It was kind of aggravating, but I ended up figuring that out. Take it out to the track, driving good, and then all of a sudden I noticed that the rear wheel, only one of them is spinning. Broke the top diff cover right there. And when that happened, the entire shock tower got all floppy and a dog bone fell out. And then I was three-wheel drive. And then I borrowed some zip ties from Andy, which I owe him for zip ties still. So if you're watching this, Andy, don't worry, I got you. I zip tied it down and we kept driving it, burnt out one pack, got another pack, burnt out that pack. And other than that, not bad. However, I noticed it was driving weird. It was like if a clutch was slipping, I'd floor it and it would like kind of, you know, slip and then take off. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but I'll have to, you know, take it apart and inspect. But yeah, overall, paid $100 for this truck. I'd say it was a good buy.
This one didn't have a big fail today. The combined trucks here, they were $150 off the Facebooks. And this one came as just a roller, but it's got an upgraded pan on it. It's got carbon fiber shock mounts and aluminum bracing everywhere. It was a really nice roller. And this truck came ready to run, but I wanted the upgrade. So after my old motor caught on fire yesterday, half resoldered it and tested it, and it smokes, it cuts out, it's not having it. So I gutted out the whole red cat, put it in here. Had a lot of success and a lot of fun today. My only downfall really was this set screw that sets the gear mesh.
Oh.
And it just dripped out in the aluminum housing. We tried a couple of times to tighten it and it just wasn't having it. So we'll swap some more parts here out of this other one. Get that guy in there, which is the upgrade one anyways.
Okay, nice.
And we'll be ready to party again.
Awesome, awesome.
Would you do it again?
Definitely. I mean, you know, it's a blast going out to 3rd Street. We're definitely going to tune up these trucks and get them, you know, driving better. We're going to document more of everything and kind of the whole community around the 3rd Street track. So if you're watching this and you're local to Sonoma County or you're, you know, in the surrounding counties here in Northern California, definitely go to the 3rd Street track. A lot of cool guys out there, you know, they are willing to give you some good advice. Shout out to Chris. He had the nice Pro Line gauge, and we were seeing the alignment on this stuff, and he gave us some good advice. So it was pretty cool. So definitely check it out there if you're local and run your trucks or buggies or whatever you have. It'll be a good time. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.
Whale.